ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಅದೆರಡು ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಎರಡು
Argument ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Please.
86.
Connected with my lord, it may be connected with WP 19966 of 25.
But announce the results.
Please.
86 at the request of counsel for the petitioner, released on 21st August. Connect with so and so. The respondents are at liberty to announce the results.
Please. Shorter date, my lord. Shorter date, my lord. First week of August.
It's on 7th August.
Serial number 78, my lord. Date is given, my lord, but there is an interim order in that matter, my lord.
78 interim order.
Interim order, my lord.
Yes.
Serial number 80, my lord.
Ah.
In that matter, my lord, morning, in my absence, they have taken the adjournment. In that, my lord.
When it was called out, you are not there, Andre?
No, in the morning, 10:30, my lord.
10:30.
10:30. I have intimated that they are also ready, my lord. In this only withdrawal of the deposit amount in the cooperative bank, my lord. That's
Barely or pass over.
intimated that they are also ready, my lord. In this only withdrawal of the deposit amount in the cooperative bank, my lord. That's
Barely or pass over.
Serial number 14 in second list.
Yes.
Next week we will do.
14 second list. 14 second list. Inform ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
ನಾವೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್.
ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Case number 2, order serial number 1, Manjunath.
Well, I'm for the petitioner in this matter. I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
Mr. H.T. Jagdish. You have served a copy on him.
My lord, I'll serve a copy in due course, my lord. My lord, there was only a small correction in the application that I had. Initially, I had served a copy, my lord. There was only a correction that had been made, and that was inserted in the along with the application. That only
None
that
appears for respond number 3. If none were to appear for respond number 3 on the next date of hearing, IA 1 of 24 would be taken up for consideration in their absence. Relist on 14th August.
grateful, my lord.
Serial number 2,
My lords, I appear for the respondent number 2 in this case, my lords. I'm filing my compliance affidavit, my lords.
Compliance.
Reserve the copy on.
In which one?
Serial number 2, my lords. The information about the tender was supposed to
List
be.
2.
Yes, my lords.
List 2 or list 3?
List 3, sorry, my lords.
Then wait. Yes. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Yes.
office objection is office objection is kindly requested
Office
1 week.
objection. You want
1 week.
counsel for the petition seeks for and is granted a week's time to comply with the office objection.
Another
Relist
one
on
submission,
6th August.
Another one submission.
Pawan Kumar is not subdelegated.
No, it is Pawan Kumar who has been subdelegating again.
You said Pawan Kumar is doing it.
Again, he has delegated powers to G.S. Shivaramaya, L. Narayana, Ram Krishnappa and others. And he is collecting 200 rupees per application form. The specific order of your lordship is.
What is that? What is that you're reading? Where are those 4 names you read out?
In the next page, you lordship will find. In the order dated 9/6/25, my lord. Last page, 4 names are there. Projecting himself as the chief promoter. I have produced the receipts, my lord. The lordship will find the receipt at the page 7. The receipt
What have you filed?
in the application.
ಯಾವ application appa?
I had filed one application. Lordship will find the application.
IA number 1.
IA number 1.
IA number 1.
Kindly turn to page 6, my lord.
IA number 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿ? When did you file it?
I had filed it on 2/7/25, my lord. 2/7/25. I can pass on my application for ready reason.
1/20.
1 of 25.
2/7/25.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅವ್ರು.
He says he is the chief promoter.
Lord, kindly pass on, Lord.
We'll post it tomorrow. Please keep this person present here.
Please,
What is he doing?
please.
He is a CDO.
1,000 applications he has sold. More than 1,000.
And where is that money gone?
Your lordship's specific direction at paragraph 14. I may permit to read, my lord. Though the submission of petitioner's counsel is that enhanced membership fee is required to be collected, I am of the considered opinion that no change thereof can be made. The membership fees would have to be as per the bylaws in the operation. It would be for the subsequent management committee who is elected to take steps for such changes in the bylaws as permissible and required by following the due procedure. Until the elections are held, the present management committee shall continue to discharge. Membership fees is 25 rupees.
But you ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು will embarrass you.
I'm sorry, Lord.
Keep him present.
Please, Lord.
Learned. IA 1 of 25 has been filed by the Learned Counsel for respond number 2. Along with the said application, a receipt said to be issued by a chief promoter has been enclosed, which is for a sum of rupees 200 per application. Learned Counsel for respondent has also filed an order dated 9/6/2025 issued by Shri Pawan Kumar,
The copy is-
Cooperative Development Officer, nominating 4 other persons to carry out the membership drive. The registrar having been directed to enroll members. The delegation by the registrar to the CDO would be proper, but the CDO would not have power to subdelegate it further, as also not collect, and he has no power to collect. Membership itself is 25 rupees. Apart therefrom, the CDO would not have any authority to sign the receipts as a chief promoter, since no new cooperative society is being established.
Is persisting from another authority of GST authority, but the bank account is persisting from another authority of GST authority, but the bank account is not being permitted to be operated.
File an appeal and ask for waiver by giving these details.
My lords, what would happen, my lords, is that section 107 of the CGST Act, my lord, unfortunately is worded differently. It says that if you don't pay the money, it will not permit me to file an appeal at all, my lord. That is the difficulty of the statute.
It's online filing.
Yes, your lordship. Until unless the money is not paid.
The requirement. One of the requirements while filing online, that pre-deposit has to be credited only then, my lords, the application will be
Only then it
So
will.
there is no waiver contemplated at all.
No, my lords.
Nothing, my lord. It's mandatory.
The discretion is also not available with the authority. my lords. That is pre-deposit is a very small amount, which is 10% of the tax demanded, forgetting interest and penalty.
Why you can't pay even 10%?
My lord, that also I cannot, because bank account is frozen and I will not be able to pay
You
that
have
money.
yourself frozen the bank account.
Yeah, they will be
In this
frozen the
case, my
bank
lords,
account.
what has happened? The dispute is with regard to 2 assessment years. For 1 assessment year, my lords, they challenge the adjudication order by way of.
6 months time to file the appeal?
No, my lords, in accordance with the provisions of the act, it is not available. Only if there is a direction of this honorable court for us to remove the lien so that they can and permit them within 4 weeks.
If there's an attachment of
Because
their
that-
bank account, you could provide a option there to say that the bank account is attached, I'm unable to pay, therefore take the appeal on record.
Provision, my lords, is, as I earlier also mentioned, my lords, these are all provisions applicable all over the country.
If there's
And,
no attachment, where will they get the money if it is attached? Tell us that.
We would have attached, my lords, because they've not paid the money within that.
So no appeal at all.
They,
So appeal is an empty formality. Empty no illa idu. Even worse than that. Be reasonable.
we also
You
have to
challenge
initiate-
that provision. You're not challenging that provision.
My lord, 107.6, my lord, it's only a click of 107.6, yes, my lord, I have not challenged.
If you don't challenge, what can we pass orders?
But my limited concern was they will again come up for recovery, my lord, because it was last date. I come rushing to the court only for the limited purpose of the lien being either removed and. My lord, this is a matter where the show cause notice is issued after the extended period of limitation by under notification 56 of 2023. My lord, this is being considered by the Honorable Supreme Court. My lords have taken a
The
view
matters my lords
in the
have
earlier
stated.
matters, but the order is not uploaded, so I'm. My lord,
AGA accepts
in the
notice
Supreme
for
Court in the case
respond
of.
number 1 and 2. Shri given irregularly for respond number 3, na?
Yes.
Please.
Kodiya the order.
Jeevan is that.
Both the council submit that the list in the above matter is drawing the attention of the Honorable Apex Court.
At page 2, my lord, HCSEWMIMEIL.
Drawing the attention, Allah, this disposed of.
No, my lord, it's now it's pending consideration.
In what matter?
This, in the case of notification 56 of 2023, my lord, where the board extended the time limit for passing the order for financial year 2019.
In which SLP is it pending?
My lord, it's SLP number C number 424.
Driver as well as the owner of the goods, and they have chosen not to reply, which is now culminated into an order, my lords, and the order is dated 7/7/2025. Which, my lords, we have served it by way of RPAD as well as we have acknowledgements, but if acknowledgement ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ I'll have to.
Find out and challenge them.
Please.
ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ರೆಮಿಡಿ ಇದೆ. They can challenge it by way of an appeal.
ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದಿನ
I'll seek instruction.
Serial number 7.
Your Honor, this is an adjudication order. Subsequent to that, an appeal was filed. This is for the tax period 17-18. The appeal was filed with a delay of 45 days over and above the 120 days, which is condonable.
45 days over and above. So you filed it in 165 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
So, Your Honors, it is it has been dismissed in Lemine. They have not decided on the merits. And the adjudication order is also a ex parte order.
They are eitherly
HCGP ಇಲ್ಲ.
even. Illi, illa.
ಇದ್ದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. I'll look into-
SCGP accepts notice for respond number 1 and 2. She seeks for and is granted week's time to obtain instruction maker submission. We list on 30th.
Much obliged.
8.
For an activity to become supply under section 7 requires a transaction in goods or service for consideration, and it should be in the course of business. In this case, there is a mandatory deposit of timber by the dealer with the government depot, who then conducts auction. The government depot conducting the auction becomes an agent who then issues an invoice in their name to the buyer of the timber. The sale proceeds are then distributed to the owners. With reference to the CBSE circular so and so, this qualifies as an independent supply, as the sale invoice is raised by the government depot and not the depositor. The deposit by the depositor to the depot becomes another supply before the auction sale is made by the government depot, and the violation of the same is to be made as per Rule 30. The same is also detailed in the advance ruling decision in number so and so, and subsequently appeal was dismissed by the same, against the same by the appellate authority. None of this is made available to me in the show cause notice. Therefore, I could not file reply. That is the first part, my lords.
I'll
Second,
accept notice, my lords. Coming up for the first time. I'll
Second-
get instructions, matter may be called next Wednesday.
may I make one more
You
submission?
are not on CCMS.
Please, my lords.
Your department is not on CCMS.
My lords, this file though was available in CCMS, I could read it on CCMS, but none of
Instructions ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
none of his personal copy, physical copy is not available.
There is one more issue in this field, my lords.
Yes. That we'll consider later. Now for stay.
The adjudicating authority has relied on advance ruling.
Consider later. Now for stay.
The adjudicating authority has relied on advance ruling issued in the case of another assessee, which actually cannot be done, my lords.
Yes,
That
my lords.
advance ruling,
AGA accepts notice for respond number 1 to 4. Notice for respond number 1 to 4. 1 to 4. The operation of
my lords may have it on 30th, my lords.
E and H, my lords.
annexure E and H state till the next date of hearing, considering firstly that the show cause notice did not provide any.
And annexure B as well.
Hmm,
Page number 13, Your Lordships.
yes,
Your Lordship, this is a notice, and page number 14, that is annexure B, it is an order under subsection 3 of section 148A of Income Tax Act 1961, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the matter is that petitioner resides in Bantwal, Mangalore, Your Lordships. He is nowhere connected to the GST or any business. He doesn't have any formal education, Your Lordships. He's a farmer by profession.
he has no
Meantime,
GST registration.
no, Your Lordship, I don't have anything. But somebody else has misused my PAN number and some Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card, I'm not able to trace it from either the bank or the income tax office, Your Lordships. I also went to the respondent number 6 bank, Your Lordships. I also made the respondent number 6 bank as a party, Your Lordship. That is Bank of Baroda. I also have a strong intuition that the bank manager who was there in the year 2018 has also colluded with this person who has made my fake GST. Because whenever I go to the bank, they don't enter B. So they have mentioned all the party details, Your Lordship. The party is Kanta Kumar. I'm nowhere concerned to them, Your Lordship. And the GST number is registered under the name of Aryant Enterprises, Your Lordships. And the transaction taken place is 63 crore, 86 lakhs, 88,815, Your Lordships. It is a lot.
We saw that.
29 page number.
And someone has misrepresented and obtained a GST registration using the details of the petitioner. This matter would require investigation by the respondent authorities. As such, pending the same.
No, it is not income taxable.
Yeah, it is income. It is income tax.
I thought some GST.
No, this is, sorry, this GST, not income tax. But you have also issued a notice.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Both of you have done it.
But the part, okay.
You are claiming income tax, they are claiming GST dues. So she is
The
challenging
parties
both ways.
disclosed in the website is not clear.
You are the third respondent.
Yes.
Tirumaleshalla. Idu Sri Jeevan Niralgi for respondent number 1, M. Tirumalesh for 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Bank of Baroda, so and so. The operation of annexure A and B is stayed till the next date of hearing.
I seek for the hand delivery of the order copy, Your Lordships.
Why hand delivery?
Because any...
Nothing will happen, it will get uploaded.
Much obliged, Your Lordships. Serial number 10.
This is an income tax writ petition, my lords.
Yes.
Page 81 is the order under section 271 capital DA. This is identical to yesterday's matters, my lords, where the reference to the Joint Commissioner is issued on 17th of April 24 and the order is issued on 28th of March 25. We are beyond the 6 months.
Serial number yesterday, now, writ petition number?
WP 20220 of 25.
The same order as 20220 of 25.
Obliged, my lords.
Serial number 11.
Petitioner request, my lords. There's a request for a week's time, my lords.
Counsel for the petition seeks for and is granted a week's time to address his arguments. Relist on 11th August.
Okay.
Further hearing, serial number 12. Lakshmi Devi.
Nirmiti Kendra.
Please.
Yes. You are funded by Nirmiti Kendra, Mr. Patil, by the state government.
I don't come under funded, but I do come under the first part because all the officers, all the governing committee members are officers. It's not in that sense substantially or in any way funded by the government. This Nirmiti Kendra takes up the contract works of which it takes the 5%
Where do you get
commission.
the funds to take up the work?
Please,
Who gives you the money to take up the work? If you say they're not giving, we'll ask them to stop it.
no, not for, that's why I brought to your lordship's notice, I come under the first part of
You
the.
come under both.
May not be both. At the
ITI.
time of formation, 2 lakhs was the contribution by the state for registering, etc. Thereafter, it is the contract work which is awarded advance